If you want to reduce spanking and screaming at your child today, if you want to start to deepen your connection with your child today in a way that leads to long-lasting results, listen to this. Step 1, forgive yourself for anything that you have ever said or done to your child. Step 2, remember or give yourself permission to recognize and be aware of the fact that anything that you have done or said to your child are patterns and habits that you picked up after you were born. You were born and you learned a lot of communication and a lot of how to treat a child by your environment and by what happened to you. Step 3 is repeat steps 1 and 2 as often as you need to for the rest of this lifetime. Step 4, get very clear on what you want. What do you want? What the type of relationship between you and your child to be? Pause this video and say it. I want to have the type of relationship where me and my child communicate, insert what feels true for you. I want to be able to communicate with my child. I want to show up for my child with the type of energy that reflects. Right? Get clear. Be very clear, okay? And now for the final step. Commit to using your free will starting right now. Commit to using your free will to call out the generational patterns that pop up within you when you get triggered. Stop believing that you are defined by your reactions, by the patterns and habits that you picked up. Example, your child triggers you. They spill juice or they throw juice on the wall, right? Your child triggers you. Be aware of what wants to happen through you naturally. Be aware of that natural inclination emerging through you, that natural intention to just hit them or to scream at them or to shame them. Be aware of that. Stop thinking that you are that. You are not what you are aware of. Be aware of that pattern. Call it out. The generational pattern wants to do X, Y, Z. In that moment, you are empowered because that pattern cannot hijack you and take over because you are aware of it. What wants to happen usually is what happened to you when you did something similar as a child. Usually it's what you've been programmed, how you've been programmed to react. But if you are willing to give yourself permission to be aware of that moving forward, you can then choose intentionally what you feel to do from your heart instead. You're going to notice you're a kind, compassionate, and amazing teacher and guide when you give yourself permission to call out the pattern and to show up as who you truly are. And this is what every trigger in parenthood is helping you to master. Keep going.